Because it keeps you right on the blood.
You go bloody nose. I'm the one bleeding, don't it? It's like driplets everywhere. Why are you bleeding? Yes. Oh! I just stepped in your fucking blood puddles. Like, why are you bleeding in the first place?
I
Like, nigga, like, mop this shit up, man. Mop that up. Why? You're bloody nose freaking. Like, why are you bleeding? Like, that's from a sneeze? You weird as hell. Get your freaking.
You have your blood, Joe. It's disgusting.
It's like we wouldn't even care. Like blood driplets on the floor and shit. Like, what the hell happened, fool?
I don't know. It just started dripping down.
Dripping down. Your brain gonna explode, nigga.